Good morning, guys. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel. Today we are diving in, and before I dive into the technicals about a mirror, so right now I'm going to use on AI and to see where Meta is going today. So as I will go to start now, as on Wednesday, April 30th, 2025. Approximately right now is 10. I'm recording right now 10:29. So right now it's telling me where I'm here. So this I'm in Lake Charles, Louisiana, and taking an outlook on Meta platform. So the stock represents the mixed picture. One summary. So remember, Meta right now is trading around 5:39 at 11:26 a.m. Eastern time, and right now, because we are diving in, so we are want to see the Meta technicals. And right now, so the overall multiple source indicated the bearish technical sentiment in a short or a medium. So when you see the moving average, generally is bearish with several short terms and long term symbol moving, and the exponential moving average indicating next momentum instant 10-20. So this is the period, this is the moving on 10 days, 20 days, 50 days, and also 200 moving SMS are very so. And again, when you see on oscillator mixture signal with some oscillator on RSI stochastics showing neutral reading, while MACD indicating bearish. So summary, when you see on this summary rating, when across the platform, some indicators strong sell based on the moving average, while others show the neutral stance. Overall, one source even indicates strong buy. So we have several indicators. It's a mixture, guys, combination of technical indicators, very short term. So remember, this will be the short term. What does it mean short term? Maybe it will be today, and remember today is earnings. So if it is the earnings today, everything can change. So from sell to buy, maybe for me, I think this is look like a Tesla. If you remember Tesla very well, it has a bearish. And right now, let's see the technicals and the price. So support identify 524, but remember today we found bounces around 529 and 531. So right now we have already above this area where we bounces the break below. So if you stay above here, we're still on bullish, and this signal further downtrend movement. So if you want to below this one, we are going on the resistance right now. So remember, we're on 539. So our resistance will 545, 549 before. I think this is going to happen before the earnings. And the long-term average moving average is 561. That's where we might be, that when market open and the earnings will be good. Tomorrow when we wake up is 561. You see, we have already one breakout. I'm going to show you everything right now. And when you see the breakout or a breakdown point, a breakup power resistance will be indicated by signal, which is 561, and below the sub will suggest the sell signal. So let's say on the other hand, above 561 or above this one, or let's put to be on safe side, 561, you're on a breakout. And on short-term outlook, what mean the short-term outlook? So they also suggest the potential fall in next 3 months. In fact, guys, I've already posted another video, and I say by I think June is going to be, and it's going to accelerate up, but by June and July we can see these things will come down before, and that's what I'm saying. Next 3 months potential in next in so such as the potential fall in the next 3 months. So we might have the short-term bounce, but in next 3 months, right now we are heading on May. So in so in next 3 months we will fall. Okay, let's see why they consider this one. So this is why we are talking on annual report. Meta scheduled to release annual report today on April 30th, 25. after market close. This event can significantly impact the stock price. The changing outlook historical. The stock reactions on earnings has been split with the roughly enough chance to positive or negative on return. So this one may be already priced in negative or wherever you say. And now let's see what's analyzer rating. Despite the Paris technical signal, significantly majority of analyzer maintain pie or a strong pie rating. Stock with high price target overall next year. This suggests the fundamental analysis may be present the more positive long-term review. Remember today, guys, what will make Meta to move upside is called guidance. So future guidance is going to be very important. So you have to risk, maybe to buy a call to risk, and I hope it's going to be very important. So this suggests that the fundamental analysis may be present the more positive for long-term view than the short-term technical indicator. So raising trend breakdown, the analysis point out the stock may broken through the flow of raising trend channel. So remember this, the one analysis outlook, the stock has broken through the flow of the raising downtrend, suggest the potential slow down and the movement and shifting the more historical past. And the positive now, let's see the on positive. When on positive, the positive on RSI divergence against the prices analysis could hit the potential upward reaction. Now let's go to the conclusion. So when you go to the conclusion, you'll see the technical analysis on Meta show the predominancy very short term to the medium term pace of moving average, but with some of the conflict signaling. So remember this indicators are mixing from the oscillator, recent price action, upcoming and report the crucial catalyzer that could override the current technical pattern. What does that mean? So remember we are on downtrend and everything was sell. Remember guys, this thing sell has happened 2 months ago, which is already pricing. Stock is coming all the way from 741 to 5, in fact for something, which is the stock went I think almost 30%. And so I'll say I will go to show you, we are going to see that one patterns. Investors and traders should monitor price action, key support resistance levels, which we already say support will be 529 and 531, and the resistance will be 445 and 449 and 5. Remember everything 500. Okay. The attention to earnings in announcements. The important to remember technical analysis just one tool evaluating stocks should be used in conjunction with the fundamental analysis and understanding on overall market. Remember guys, this today I used AI. So now let's go to the technicals right now on Meta. So we are going to straight away on Meta here, and let's go to the daily. So now this is the daily you see over here on Meta, and let me do. So now we are going to see this one. So remember we have already break from the downtrend. So remember this was our downtrend line. Yeah, so that's your downtrend. We came all the way. That's why the signal sell around here. When it was overbought, we came all the way to oversold, and right now it's in a simple way. We are going to do like this. Remember 5. Remember this is our next resistance, and another one is going to be closer to this area around 602. But for me, I see this is hitting around almost 700 in next 1 month. Yes, and it's going to make head and shoulder pattern, which is now it's going to do like this one. Let's assume it's going to do like this. We call our left shoulder something here like neck, head, all the way to here, neck, then right shoulder. But that's not the real thing. So remember, we don't have that pattern, so this is our guesswork. But if you want to see the pattern, you will go to do over here. So this pattern you see over here, 583, 583, this is a double bottom, right? So this remember, if this is our double bottom around this price, and then this is our, so, and we have already breaking. So remember, we need to break this here now, guys. So this is the symbol one. So remember, double top, or double top would means perish, and this one, if you indicating to break after, so remember this top here, and after earnings today to break this 558 tomorrow, it's going to move another the same price which is was here, and it's going to hit 5609. Very simple. And if you want to see that price, let me see if I can come with so remember, this is our neck, okay? That's where our dip, and so in a simple thing you can put over here. If you break out, it's going to be here, and this price is going to be 612. Thanks so much, and have a nice day.